Good morning, children. So today we will be moving with the national income and some related aggregates. Okay. So as we will be doing the sums after the school reopens, so before that we should be completing with the theoretical part. Okay. So this is a very small part which is related to the various kinds of ways, or you can say the tricks, small tricks you should which you should know, and we will be going through some definitions also. Okay, so the very first is the gross domestic product at market price. What is it? It refers to the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. So the word gross means what? The word gross domestic product at market price means market value of goods and services. Now what is this market value means? We are defining it in terms of price. Whenever we are measuring it in terms of market value, that means we are measuring it in terms of price. Okay, and it has means in the GDP-MP, depreciation is included. Depreciation has not been deducted. Depreciation is included in GDP-MP. Next, GDP-MP also signifies that it includes goods and service produced by all the units located within the domestic territory of a country. So, all the goods and services within the Indian boundary. Market price means what? It signifies that amount of indirect taxes paid and the subsidy is excluded. Means, as I said, market price means we are defining it in terms of price. Okay, now another thing which is to be understood here is that it includes the indirect taxes and it excludes the subsidies. Okay, and it includes only the final goods and services. So GDP-MP, which is the market value of all goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year, it means whenever we are saying market value, that means we are defining it in terms of price. It includes the final goods and services. It is including depreciation. It is including indirect tax and excluding the subsidy. Moreover, it includes all the goods and services produced by the residents of the country within the domestic territory. Okay. Now we will be going to GDP-FC, means gross domestic product at factor cost. Till now we did GDP-MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. Now we are doing GDP-FC, that is gross domestic product at factor cost. So this is the gross money value. See the difference between the two definitions. It is the MP is measuring the market value. FC at factor cost is measuring the money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. Now GDP-FC is equal to GDP-MP minus net indirect taxes. Like in the GDP-MP, depreciation was included, moreover net indirect taxes was included. Here, when we will be calculating GDP-FC, means gross domestic product at factor cost, we will be subtracting the net indirect taxes from the gross domestic product. From the gross domestic product at market price, we will be deducting net indirect tax. Okay, then only we will be getting gross domestic product at factor cost. So this thing you have to remember, that in the gross value, means in the GDP-MP, the gross value, we have got everything included. But when we have to take out GDP-FC, we have to subtract the minus net indirect, that is the net indirect taxes. Now we will be coming to net domestic product. Okay.